Hello, I'm Ben from Konvoi Snowboards. I build snowboards, developed now since 7 years. Since 1.5 years I got my own company called Konvoi Snowboards, and I'm gonna show you a bit about the boards I offer now. I got two models, the Kantar one and the Nevado one. I only got the Nevado as a split version here now, but they're both available as split boards, and also both, of course, available as solid snowboards. The background behind the Kantar is a bit more like all mountain. The Nevado is a bit more still powder riding. So, and what's special is, in general, it's a directional shape, a bit of taper. We have a bit of a more, like it's a 7-meter radius, so it's a bit tight, but still how we do the radius or how the radius starts, it's pretty gentle, so you really have a stable board. And what's important for me is like the rocker camber line. You have a really mellow nose rocker, you have a pronounced camber, and then once again a mellow tail rocker. This is for me the best combination between having a playful, easy to maneuver board that still has a lot of edge hold, because with I said powder riding, but of course especially with splitboarding, conditions are really mixed. Sometimes at the mountaintop you got just wind-packed snow, or in couloirs it can be actually really nasty snow, so it's ready for all of this. And then what's important for me as well is like detail solutions. You have kind of a nose bumper here. Then what's special as well is here the channels. This is also has to do with the edge grip, more edge grip with those. And then you see here the connectors. We don't have through holes. They are mounted with inserts. And we're using the Blum hardware and the Carocom nose and tail clips, and also cola skins, which I don't have here, but which are really decent skins, light and really good gliding. So something a bit about the Kantar. This is 167 by the way, this is 169. Both models are available or will be available soon in different lengths and also widths. This is, as I said, a more all-mountain kind of model, a bit of freestyle roots, definitely, but still ready for everything. I always think about when you want a board, and for example, you're planning a trip, and you just can take a quiver of board, so really have a shape that's ready for more than just one option on the mountain. Here we actually have even a tighter radius, 6 meters to be exact. Once again, we have a similar concept of the rocker and camber profile. Once again, harmonic tail and nose rocker, pronounced camber between your feet combined with the channels. And then what's important for me too is not just like the shape and all the profile specifics, but also what's inside. It's maybe not easy to see what's happening here, but we really took some effort to really fine-tune the construction, especially with free riding, splitboarding, to make the products, the boards, more durable. With especially in the edge area, we did something to really, like, when you're out there, you will hit a stone, but you don't want your edge to be blown out, for example. And then also, the boards are really solid, but still you want them as light as possible without having compromises in durability. For example, we use two types of resins, one in the areas where you want to saturate your fibers, or for example in the top part, there it's not about saturating your fiber, it's more about a good bond between the layers. Stuff like that.
Okay, I have two questions.
Yes.
One of the questions, I already tested it, and the Nevado Split is just an amazing board. But when I service the board, What should I do with the channels? If
It's-
I give it to the shop and they just service it,
Yeah.
what happens?
Like there's a general recommendation, doesn't matter with the channels, don't give your board to a service station which have a automatic service, because this will really, they will grind your base heavily, you will use a lot of material. But with the channels, it's actually not that hard. Like normally with the iron, when you wax it, you wax the general surface, and then you need on top, you need a brush and a blow dryer, I think is the word. And then you just brush a thin layer in here, and that's all. It's easy, you just need a brush and the blow dryer.
Okay.